Welcome back for another show and tell tutorial video. Last episode nag-install tayo ng WordPress. This time, i-update at isi-set up natin ang ating newly installed WordPress. This is episode number 11, Setting Up WordPress. Alright, let's start updating our website at ang pinakauna nating dapat i-update ay ang ating theme. To update our theme, go to Appearance, then Themes. And makikita natin yung iba't ibang themes na naka-install sa ating WordPress website. Yung active, itong active na to, ito yung currently selected na layout ng ating website. To add a new theme, we can select this box below or the add new button above. So, click lang natin yon, then we could select a theme. So, we can browse and maghanap kung ano yung style. We can check it out, preview it, kung gusto natin makita yung kalalabasan niya. Just to make sure na meron tayong iba't ibang klaseng theme, may free, may freemium, may premium. So, yung free, libre lang yon. Yung mga freemium yan, yung mga limited yung updates niya. Ibig sabihin, libre siya sa una, pero yung mga magaganda niyang features, kailangan mo nang magbayad. Then, another is yung premium, which is talagang bibili ka ng bagong paid versions ng mga theme. And for this example, nakapili na ako ng free theme. It's human. So, itatype ko dito sa search box yung theme na yon and I will select it. To install, kailangan lang natin i-click tong install button and mag-i-install na yung theme na yon. Once na natapos na siyang mag-install, the next one is to activate it. So, click lang natin yung activate button and then, once na na-activate na yun na yung theme na magre-reflect sa ating WordPress website. Next is changing our logo. I recommend using canva.com. It's a free graphic tool website. And dito tayo makakagawa ng mga logos, banners, and posts. So, once na nakagawa na tayo, we just have to download that image and i-copy natin siya sa ating desktop. Once na na-save na sa desktop yung image, then let's go back to our WordPress, then Appearance, then let's select Customize. Then, lalabas yung mga sections. For this example, this theme, nasa webpage design yung logo niya. So, iba-iba yung sections ng bawat theme. We just have to change the logo and then we need to upload the file and select kung saan mang na folder natin siya sinave. Then, once na na-select na at nag-upload na yung image, let's change the title. Then, yung title na nilagay natin, yun din yung i-copy natin sa alt text. Then, click on select. Then, we have the crop image. Tatanggalin natin yung mga white spaces. Then, just click on the crop image para ma-finalize. Then, once na naging okay na yan, it will be automatically uploaded and we just need to hit the publish button. Next is updating our dashboards. Balik tayo kay WordPress, dashboard, then home. Dito natin makikita yung mga iba't ibang modules na ginagamit natin sa ating website. So, makikita natin dito yung mga activities, mga shortcut sa mga links or plugins na ginagamit natin. Yung mga hindi natin kailangan, i-remove lang natin. Meron yung dismiss button or link sa upper right. para ma-remove. Yung mga arrow up and down, pang-minimize yun ang mga modules. Wala siyang dismiss button. So, balik tayo sa may screen options sa taas. All we need is to uncheck those modules na hindi natin kailangan. And so, nag-update na siya. And ititira ko lang is yung at a glance, activity, Yoast SEO, and I think that's all. Then, once na-select na natin yung mga modules na kailangan natin, let's drag it para ma-arrange siya sa dashboard. Next is removing sample posts and comments. Balik tayo sa WordPress natin. Under Post, All Post, makikita natin yung kaisa-isang automatic post, which is yung Hello World. Pag view natin yon, ito yung sample nung post na yon. Balik tayo kay WordPress, All Post. Then, may comment siyang isa. Pag kinlik natin yung link na yon, yung comment na yun, dadalhin tayo sa section or menu ng comments. May isang automatic comment na siya. Para ma-remove natin silang dalawa, diretso na tayo kay all post. Then, select natin yung check natin or select natin yung title. Then, move to trash. Then, click apply para ma-delete siya. Para ma-delete natin permanently, click natin yung trash, then check ulit natin yung post, then click delete permanently, then apply. Automatic, madidelete na siya. Pag bumalik tayo kay comments menu, wala na rin yung comments. Kaya natin sila dinelete parehas is because piniprepare natin yung ating website para sa mga bagong post and comments. Next is removing sample page. Punta tayo kay pages, then all pages. May dalawang automatic created page si WordPress. Yung sample page and privacy policy. Ang buburahin lang natin is si sample page. To delete, check natin si sample page, then select move to trash sa drop-down, then apply. Iiwan natin si privacy policy kasi gagamitin natin siya for other purposes. Para mag-delete permanently, click on trash, check again the page title, select delete permanently, then apply. Next is arranging sidebars. Under Appearance, then select natin yung widgets. Makikita natin yung mga common widgets sa ating sidebar. Sa theme na napili natin, may dalawang sidebar. Ito yung primary and secondary. Dito sa website natin, ito yung mga widgets na nakalagay sa primary sa left side. Nakikita natin kay WordPress, yung unang widget is yung search box. Dito sa website, search box. Then yung mga recent posts, comments, categories, nandito yun sa website lahat. Para mag-remove tayo ng widget, select lang natin yung drop-down ng gusto nating i-remove. Like itong recent comments, then click natin yung delete. Then, itong archives, delete din natin. Then, itong meta, delete din natin. Then, para ma-arrange natin siya, pwede natin itong ma-drag and drop. Kung gusto nating baguhin yung pwesto. In this way, ma-arrange natin yung sidebar natin depende sa look and feel na gusto nating ipakita sa ating sidebar. Pag ni-refresh natin yung ating website, mag-a-appear yung updated na sidebar. Next is updating time zone. Under settings, then general, papalitan natin yung ating time zone. For this example, since nasa Manila ako, ang pipiliin ko sa time zone is yung UTC plus 8. So, sa drop-down, hahanapin at isa-select natin yung UTC plus 8. Then, yung date and time format, kung gusto nyo palitan yung format niya, select nyo lang yung radio button. Then, week starts on, select ko yung Monday. Then, save changes. Next is uncheck search engine visibility. Under settings, then reading, then search engine visibility dapat naka-uncheck siya. Then, okay na yon. For our last update is updating permalinks. Under settings, then permalinks. Yung permalink is yung format ng ating URL. For example, for this specific post, yung hello world, yung before, yung hello world, ito yung kanyang URL. May dates in between. So, yan yung permalink na tinatawag. Most recommended is gamitin is yung post name. Select natin yung radio button ng post name. Then, just save the changes para yun yung gagamitin niyang format ng URL. Now, we have updated some basic settings on our new WordPress website. And ito yung mga basic updates na pwede natin gawin every time na gumagawa tayo ng bagong website. Next, it's about time to install plugins to give more value to our website. And that is what my next video will be. And see you on the next one.
So kapag nagustuhan mo ang video na to, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon para ma-notify ka sa next episodes ko. Don't forget also to comment, like, and share this video and hope to see you on my next episodes. God bless everyone!